Friend, this morning I want to share my garden, and this is a vegetable. This is Malabar spinach. I don't know how you pronounce it in English, Malabar or Malabar. And this is after I eat the leaves and I planted the stem and it produced the root and leaves, and here's more seeds here, and that will multiply. And I have several of them. Here's some. See, they are a vine, so they need something to climb, and it produces a lot of seeds. And this is like $2.85 a pound in the grocery store, in the international store, by the way. So there's more seeds, and will it drop to the dirt, it will just sprout and grow more plant. So I'm ready to harvest this one, to remove the leaves and add with a stew or vegetable something. This is my African blue bay leaves plant, and I took some older branches and rooted them, and here I plant them because I don't want them to grow just like a stick, so I want them to have more branches. So I cut them and then soak in the water until the root come out, and I put it in the dirt. Now it's producing flowers. Called twisted peppers. I don't know why they call twisted pepper. They don't produce any flowers yet, so I have two. This other one is bigger. Of course, I have my Culious. I have a few of them right here. There's another style. So this is what I have in my porch. This is my bay leaves. So far it grew, and this is from the African blue basil. No, and did I say bay leaves? Basil. Sorry, it's a basil, but this is sweet basil here. And this is after I rotated and I put in the dirt to plant to grow more. My sweet mint. And there's another one. I got this from my friend the other day. She just told me to just pull it out. I have so many in the backyard. And there's some. I cut some of the branch, and I soak in water to get the root, and then I can plant it again to have more mint. My lemongrass. Again, this is very expensive in the store. It's almost $3 a pound. So what I do, if you can see the cut here, there's area to cut here. That's where I cut the leaves when I use for cooking, and I keep this part and bury it in the dirt, and they grow leaves after. And I transfer some on my window area. It's right here because they were gonna die. The bottom did not root and rotten, so I cut and then put in here, were exposed to the sunlight. And this is here is a Korean melon. And here's my green onion. I put that in the freeze container to supposed to stay freeze, and it started wilted. So I put here on my pot. And here's my buttercup lettuce. Again, 3 weeks or so ago, I had this, and I removed the first leaves around here and use it for salad. And I keep the stem and the root and bury it in the dirt. Again, this is my another Malabar spinach. So this is what I do. I do have garden in my porch. Even I live in the apartment, but I don't waste the space. I like to see that I have plant growing. So there's another Culious here. I keep this inside, but it's not looks as fresh as outdoors, so I brought it back out. My lemon, it takes really long time to grow. This one here died after 5 years and they never grow tall, but this one. My aloe vera, I have this for 5 years. It died on me several times and regrow. And now it looks so healthy and looks juicy and fresh. And I have here a Jasmine producing flowers. It's beautiful. I am on the second floor, so you can see the tree. I have more Culious here.